first warning weather with meteorologist Tommy House.
Near record high temperatures today. We were 3 degrees shy, 89. That's the current record. We should be at 74 for context. So 86 was the high. We started off in the 50s, but definitely a toasty day here in central Texas. Right now, some 60s and 70s, 71 in Austin, Bastrop, 62 Georgetown, some 50s out toward Llano and Gillespie as our front is moving in, bringing some gusty winds. Not a big drop in temperature for now. Tonight, 56 degrees, relatively seasonable. That gust up to 20, even 30, 40 miles per hour as you move through the day tomorrow. So wind advisory in effect through the I-35 corridor. That's Williamson, Travis, Hayes, Caldwell, Bastrop, and Lee County through the majority of the day tomorrow. Could even see some widely scattered power outages as this front brings some very gusty winds immediately once it passes through. So this is overnight tonight, starting off the day tomorrow through the late morning into the early afternoon, anywhere from around 20 to 35, 40 miles per hour, as I mentioned. And then we'll slowly wind down as you work through the afternoon and evening. Still a light breeze at times Sunday nights into early Monday morning. So with that wind, we're going to have the drier air in place because of the front. Red flag warning, a extreme wildfire risk for a good amount of central Texas. This includes Travis County, burn ban in effect for all 15 counties that we cover. So not a good idea to have any sort of outdoor burning with the dry conditions, humidity less than 20%. Tomorrow's high, there's where you begin to see the effects of the cold front. Upper 60s, so those winds will still stay stubborn out of the north. You can find your city here for high temperatures, normal high, low to mid 70s, so cooler than normal by about almost 10 degrees, if you can believe it. Finally, a little bit more of a fall-like feel. Some 70s down toward Fayette, Caldwell County, 66 in Georgetown, Cameron, down toward Giddings, upper 60s in Bastrop. How about early Monday morning? When you factor in the clear skies, the winds will slowly become a little more calm. That's the recipe for some rapidly cooling temperatures. I have below freezing in Georgetown. How about out toward Burnett County? Good amount of the hill country already saw some near freezing temps, but I anticipate mid-30s in the downtown Austin area. Monday's high, 60 degrees, maybe even some upper 50s. By Veterans Day, warming trend 74. And then we really warm up pretty much the same. I have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 degrees warmer than normal, near record high. So a temperature roller coaster, huge changes to our weather pattern, not a lot of rain. Computer models say something maybe for Thursday, and even then very scattered in its nature. So I have a less than 10% rain chance, a lot of sun as you'll see through the next 7 days. Veterans Day, again, is probably my pick of the week here with those temps in the mid-70s, but cold weather fans, early Monday and Tuesday, those are the mornings for you.